Hello dear children, welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to study about uncountable nouns. The previous class we have studied about countable nouns. Countable nouns are names of things, place or animals that can be counted. Then the second type of nouns are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means names of things that we cannot be counted. Names of things that we cannot be counted. Examples: milk, water, rain, sugar, tea, time. So these are some of the examples of uncountable nouns which we cannot count. That means we don't know how many drops of water or how many raindrops are there, how many grains of sugar, how many tea leaves are there. So these are some of the examples of uncountable nouns which we cannot count, like this 1, 2, 3, like that we cannot count. Okay, and uncountable nouns do not have any number. Uncountable nouns do not have any number. We do not say that a milk or a sugar or a tea. We don't use like that. So uncountable nouns do not have any number or a or an before them. A or an before them. But uncountable nouns may have the before them. Remember, uncountable nouns do not have a or an before them, but they may have the before them. Here are some examples of countable and uncountable nouns given here. You have to choose the countable nouns and uncountable nouns and write down in the proper columns. The nouns are boat, sun, time, house, salt, tea, wall, juice, ring, road, light, water, farm, door, rain, air. These are the nouns given here. So you have to find out the countable nouns and write in this first column, and find out the uncountable nouns from the second column. So remember that countable nouns means the nouns that can be counted. Uncountable means that cannot be counted. So for some two examples I have written here. The rest of the examples you have to choose from the box and write down here in the textbook. Okay, countable nouns. Boat, of course it's countable noun. Sun, it's countable. Time, we cannot count, so you have to write under the heading of uncountable. House, it's countable. Then salt, it is uncountable. In that way you have to fill the boxes given at page number 19. Then to talk about the quantity of uncountable nouns, we told we don't use a or an before uncountable nouns, but there are some words or some measuring words can be used before the uncountable nouns. Which are they? To talk about the quantity of uncountable nouns, we add words such as, remember these words: a bowl of, a bowl of, some, a lot, a little, much, a piece of, and a bit. So these are the measuring words used before uncountable nouns. And again a list of words are given which can be used to measure uncountable nouns. These are a bottle of, a bowl of, see, a bottle of water, a bowl of wool, a ball of thread, a bag of spices, a pinch of salt, a sack of rice, a mug of water, a bowl of soup, a carton of oranges, then a slice of bread, a bar of cheese, a cube of ice, a spoon of sugar, a bunch of flowers, a glass of water, a jug of milk, a bit of cloth. So these are some of the measuring terms which we used before the uncountable nouns. Then match the following measuring words with the correct uncountable nouns. In your textbook at page number 20, the match the following is given. In the first column measuring words are given, and in the second column uncountable nouns are given. So using this measuring word you can match. Okay, it's roughly done here. You have to think and match. So a spoon of, there is pepper is there, water is there, soup is there, wheat is there, sugar is there. So the correct one you can use it. A spoon of sugar, a sack of wheat, a bottle of water, a pinch of pepper, a bowl of soup. So you have to match by yourself. Okay. Then homework you have to do in the textbook itself. Okay, at page number 21, question number 5. What is given in the exercise? Read the sentences given below. Correct the wrong measuring words. Correct the wrong measuring words. So remember, measuring words are a bowl of, a spoon of, a pinch of, a bit of. Such words are called measuring words. So in this exercise, the measuring words are given wrongly. You have to correct it. Rubal drink a piece of water. Rubal drink a piece of water. You have to correct it. Instead of a piece of water, you can write a glass of water. Then Jia bought a sack of milk. Can we bring milk in a sack? No. So find out the correct measuring word. Mother bought a cube of flour. Can we take the flour in a cube? No. Then my brother always adds a pinch of honey to his milk. We can add a spoon of honey. We can't add a pinch of honey, isn't it? Then Anand ate a jug of salad. We can eat a plate of salad, not a jug of salad. So in that way you have to find out the wrong measuring words and write it properly in your textbook at page number 21. Then you have to write these things in the notebook. What is that? Uncountable nouns are names of things that we cannot be counted. In the previous class we have written what are countable nouns. So like that you have to write uncountable nouns with the example. And also write uncountable nouns do not have any number a or an before them, and they may have the before them. So this is about the class uncountable nouns. Do the exercises in the textbook and write this one in your notebook. Thank you.